All right, y'all. Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to talk about 925 and let's get started. Okay, so the project it's 2 days old and let's look at the stats right now. So contract balance 169,000 invested already, 328 employees. Okay, and obviously revenue gem, nothing so far, and this is an ROI DApp with external revenue where you're gonna earn up to 2% from 9 to 5. As you can see right here, right now it's 1841 UTC time, so that means the office is closed. Okay, come back tomorrow between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to earn your daily rewards. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to the office. Even though the office is closed, I'm gonna make a deposit. I've been MIA, so I've been busy, so I didn't have much time to come over here and show you a live tutorial. Okay, guys, so here we are, right? So as you can see right here, this is my dashboard. So this is the balance that I have in my wallet. This is the amount that I have invested, and this is gonna be my monthly salary. Okay, and over here is where all the magic happens. So let's go ahead and select 50 bucks. Okay, so then you gotta approve, and then once you approve, you deposit. Okay, let's go to approve. MetaMask will pop up and we're gonna pay their gas fee. Okay, approve done, deposit done. There's a second confirmation right there, and we are in. So let me probably will have to hit refresh, or no, there you go. So as you can see right here, guys, every time you deposit, there is a 10% tax on that. Okay, guys, and that tax will be deducted from your deposit. Okay, so as you can see, I invested 50, only got 45 there because of the tax. Okay, so over here we can see my monthly salary. Okay, and that's that. So per day I'm gonna earn this much, 0.90 USDT. Per 7 days, 0.630 USDT. So over here we can see the stats of my last claim, minimum claim time, max claim time, etc. Okay, guys, over here we got the withdrawal. Okay, so whenever you're ready to withdraw, okay, you can withdraw at any time and you don't pay any tax at all. Okay, so you can claim as many times as you want and you don't pay any tax for it. Okay, over here we have the compound. I explained the compound and the work hard functions on my previous video about the 9 to 5. Okay, but essentially we got the instructions right here. So you'll have to accumulate your rewards for 2 days straight, and then after 2 days you can hit compound. When you hit compounds, it will add 0.5% boost to your daily ROI. Okay, and you have the work harder, which is the 50-50 strategy. Okay, so if you want to do the 50-50 strategy, you will have to let your earnings accumulate for 4 days straight. Okay, after 4 days, you come over here, hit work harder, and 50% will be compounded, and the other 50% will go to your wallet, and it will add a 0.3% to your daily ROI until your next claim. Okay, sweet. Right, so my strategy, the way I'm gonna approach this project is every Friday. So today is Wednesday, so let's say every Wednesday I will come over here and work harder. Okay, so at least I will know every 7 days I'll come over here, I will work harder. So that means, every 7 days I will do the 50-50 strategy. That's just my opinion, guys. So you can do however you want to play the project. Okay, but the more you compound your rewards and work harder, okay, the more you will earn in the long run. The maximum you can make from this project is a 3x, okay, 300% from your initial investment. Okay, but if you work hard or compound, okay, you're gonna maximize your daily rewards and your ROI in the long run. Okay, over here we have the referral system. So once you make your first deposit, your referral link will be activated. Okay, copy this referral link, share with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. The referral commission is 4%, okay, and the referral rewards will be right here. And then from there, you will have two options. You either withdraw and pay 30% tax on these rewards, or you compound. That means these rewards will set back to the contract, okay, and you will pay 0% tax. It's up to you, okay? Down here we have the link for the Telegram group, which I recommend you to stay tuned in. Okay, we have 2 audits, one from the stamp and one for the crypto prim, and then we have the KYC, okay? And essentially that's that. If you're not familiar with the project or this kind of projects, come over here to the white paper and fully understand how everything works before you invest. Okay, guys, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.